All right, the day is finally here. We're gonna unbox the PS5. This giant box in front of me. I hope you can see me because it's just so big. All right, let's just jump right in. Let's got our knife. Got this little circle sticker. Come on, didn't quite cut it. There we go. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. You guys have no clue how much it took to get this thing. Nice and clean. Oh, here it is. So this is kind of like an outer packaging kind of shell here, which is just cover art for the actual box itself right here. We see a similar theme here with just the white clean box, except this one has the PS5 logo actually on it. Actually, let me go ahead and get my accessories. I just get them to accompany us here. All right, I grabbed the accessories, keep us some company. Remember, this kind of looks like the PS5 digital edition, so that was kind of interesting. We'll just keep these like, oh, let's go and set that on there. That just seems like it should go there. Let's move this to the side actually. Let's go ahead. Here we go. All right, fold that down, fold this away. Oh, I see. Hold on, this box right here. Pull this tab. Let's set all this stuff aside real quick. Let's see what's in this first box here. Okay, so we got the other controller. So nice and clean. Still got that blue blink. And there's our USB Type-C charging cable. Let's put that packaging back. We got our power cable right here. We got all our paperwork and everything. Ooh, and then here's the base to the PS5. It does need a stand when laying flat and upright. Let's put paperwork packaging back. There's also the HDMI cable in there. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. The day's finally here. All right, let's set these things aside. Here it is, y'all. Here it is. Oh my goodness. Ah! Here it is. These little side packaging things right here. So many boxes, oh my goodness. These are good quality, kind of make sure it doesn't get hurt in shipping. Oh. All right, time to unwrap this. Ooh. Here it is, y'all. Ah! Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna sit that right there. I'm not even gonna say anything. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Can y'all see that? Look at that. Can y'all see that? Okay, look at that. Oh my goodness. That is so cool. Oh. Yeah, this one, yeah, like everything else, like the controller grip, like the charging station, it has these little textured PlayStation X triangle circle square. Oh my goodness. We got our disk drive right here. Oh my, this is amazing. Okay, let's go ahead and see what it looks like on the stand, which it does need a screw. Hold on, let me go and get a screwdriver. I was not prepared for this. Give me 1 second. I got my screwdriver, y'all. All right, let's turn this on its side. And I don't know if you can see right here on the fins, this kind of latches on like so, kind of like that. It's not like a tight latch on, so that's why you have to have the screw on the base. There's this little cap that you take off and you put inside here. Store it right there. Actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and see what the console looks like horizontal real quick before I go in. Because I am gonna actually have it as I'm gonna have it laying or sitting on its, I'm gonna have it sitting because I am gonna have it sitting upright. I can't speak today because I'm just so excited, all right? I'm sorry. Let's put this on here. It has like these little X, triangle, circle, square to show you where to latch it on. All right, just kind of fits on like that. And here you go. There it is, y'all. There it is! Dude, that looks amazing! That looks amazing! Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. All right, let's take this off and put it on the bottom and stand it up. All right. Oh yeah, by the way, if you didn't know, you turn the base for either which position. So upright goes into this position, and we're gonna go ahead and line it up here like so. Let's prop it up like this, and go ahead and get it, oh, whoops. Let's get our screw lined up. Screwing this in, just nice and tug. You don't want to like over tighten it, just nice. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is absolutely incredible. Now that we got the unboxing out of the way, let's go ahead and look at the console and everything. So in the front here, you got your USB type A, USB type C, you got your eject button, power button, got your disk drive, turn it around to the back, and you got your power, you got your HDMI, Ethernet, 2 ultra high speed USB type A ports, and that's it. That's all, folks. That is what we got. Got our controllers and the charging station. We are all set for next gen gaming. I'm gonna be making a YouTube channel that's just me, and I'm gonna do some gaming on this thing, all right? We're gonna be playing Astro's Playroom, Spider-Man Remastered, Spider-Man Miles Morales. We're gonna be playing everything, okay? I will also be streaming, so I'll be making a Twitch as well. So please check those out. Links will be in description. I don't know when this is going out. I may already have videos up, I'm not sure, but please go check those out. Really appreciate it. And I can't wait to turn this thing on anymore. So we're gonna peace out. Please like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you wanna see more. Make sure to check out those channels that I will be creating soon, and I will see you next time.